Imagine a world where everything stands still, not a single movement. Boring, right? Thankfully, we live in a universe governed by the principles of kinematics, the very essence of motion. From the simple fall of an apple to the complex motion of planets, kinematics is at play, silently directing the show. It all boils down to physical quantities, measurable characteristics that shape our understanding of the universe. So, buckle up as we set the stage to dive into the world of scalar and vector quantities. Kinematics isn't just for physicists, it's the silent director of the show we call life. In the world of physics, quantities aren't all created equal. Some are mere numbers, while others have a sense of direction. Let's talk about scalar quantities first. These are the simpler of the two, having only a size or magnitude. Think about things like mass, temperature, and time. They're just numbers, right? No direction involved. Now, contrast that with vector quantities. These aren't satisfied being mere numbers. They have a magnitude, sure, but they also have a direction. Imagine force, velocity, and displacement. They're not just about how much, but also where to. So, in the grand scheme of things, scalar quantities are the how much of the physics world, while vector quantities add a little more complexity, telling us how much and in which direction. Vectors may seem complex, but they're just like any recipe. It's all about understanding the ingredients. A vector has magnitude, telling us the size, and direction, showing us the way. It can be broken down into components, each pointing along an axis. When we add or subtract vectors, we're simply combining or removing these ingredients. Multiplying a vector by a scalar changes its size, but not its direction. Then there's the unit vector, a vector with a magnitude of 1. And finally, we have dot and cross products, mathematical operations that give us new vectors or scalars. By mastering vectors, you're not just understanding physics, you're gaining a new lens to perceive the world around you.